Hi again, it's Christine, Dove Tester. Yes, I've told you guys last time I'm going to take a little while and test the Dove Winter Care. So I've tried it out for going on third week or so, and I'm quite satisfied. Yes, Dove has done it again. Winter Care is very good. It's very soft, smooth, silky, all the above. And I find it has a lot of moisturizing lotion. It lathers up very well. It smells incredible. Not as good as the Nutrium, I will say. The Nutrium cream oil is still my preferred scent. And also it works a lot, and it's a lot nicer on your skin, silkier. But I do like it very much. And this is, yes, incredible, the Winter Care. As I was thinking before, I do gather a lot of lotions like Jergens, Vaseline Intensive Care, and all those type of, winter lotions. And I have to say I've been buying a lot less lately that I've had this, because this is like how many bars? 6 bars of 120 grams. So this winter I'm pretty happy. I don't have to stack up on lotion. It's pretty good. I don't have to put as much cream, as I just finished taking another shower not too long ago. Not drying up, not itchy, not irritated. Very good. I just have to put lotion every once in a while, a few hours later, I guess. Dries up, because don't forget, I did mention we're here in Canada, and it's January, winter, very cold, but it really works. The product is incredible. It's a very good product from Dove. They've done it again, and I'm very proud. I hope they have more products that will come through. One thing I'll say about the smell, as I said, the smell was kind of intense as you open it, because I was, my nose, I let my nose follow, so the smell is kind of intense as you open it. But when you take a shower, it starts smoothing down a bit. It's not as strong as it was originally when you open it. I would say it's a little reminiscent of the original Dove and the Nutrium, mix of the two. I find the smell pretty good, but it doesn't linger very long. It's I would say it as you come out you don't smell it as much anymore, so it doesn't linger very long. This one a lot longer. You smell the Nutrium smells a lot longer on you, but they're both very, very good. They're now my best friends, and as I said, 10 years on Dove, and keep going. Love you, Dove. Keep coming on strong with what you got. I love your products. Keep going. Thank you. Hopefully, get some more products soon.